The very best experience that I have had here at Alvernia is the gift of personal growth.
The reason I chose nursing in particular is because of my desire to help people.
I wanted to be more relevant towards the service of others.
My first visit to Alvernia, they took us on a shuttle to College Town where I saw the nursing facility. And that's really when I fell in love with Alvernia, because Alvernia has one of the best nursing facilities that I've seen. The patients are real life. They can breathe, they can talk, they can have bodily fluids, they can do anything a human can do.
When I applied and was accepted at Alvernia, admittedly, it was a very small nursing lab that we had. Now, this beautiful building is set up exactly like a hospital or a doctor's office would be.
So I never have a sense of unfamiliarity at the hospital, and I feel very prepared because what I learned is exactly how the hospital does it. So there's no difference.
So John and Karen Arnold, we have this beautiful facility because of them, and I will not forget where we were before and to what we now have. In terms of kind of future planning, we're looking at opportunities to better serve the Reading community. And just across the street, we have the American House. One day soon, we'll have some clinical spaces available to our students to really serve the community.
Even when I'm not in class, I would use the labs to practice my antidote assessment, practice for straight cats. Having the ability to use them practically whenever you want throughout the day, as long as nobody's in there, is very, very helpful.
It is very fun to play here, and if you're not sure of what you're doing, you can schedule time with instructors.
I practice my skills like passing meds, how to use the IV pump. They also give us simulation scenarios, so what if this happens? What do you do? And that also prepares the unexpected when you see it in a hospital.
The university started working with Scholars Network, and they partnered with 4 different hospital systems. I applied for that, and if they chose you, you were guaranteed a position in their facility, got the scholarship for WellSpan. For a 3-year commitment, they're going to pay back my student loans.
Being at Alvernia, you're inside of a huge network of major hospitals around here, Reading Hospital being the biggest one, and Alvernia partners with Reading Hospital. So what I do at the hospital currently, it brings up a lot of connections.
Alvernia provides a vast variety of clinical experiences. I think in talking with my coworkers in the ED currently, many of whom have not seen any of these type of clinical experiences while they went to school. Having a hands-on experience, you can't replace that with anything else.
The aspect of service learning is a big part of the Alvernia tradition, and knowing that we are out there certainly learning, but also giving back. We take students to a local homeless shelter, and we care for unhoused patient populations there. The students do a great job of even coming up with their own ideas and ways in which they can help. They have run clothing drives that have been so incredibly successful that we had clothes everywhere, and it was great to see.
I learned what it really means to service others through action, like volunteer activities. And I realized that giving care is also happiness, and I will do the same for my patients.
It's a close-knit community that you have friends everywhere you go, no matter what your major is.
I'm not just a number of 75 of 250 in a large lecture hall. My instructors and my professors know who I am. A reference letter means something because the words are real.
Out of Alvernia, there's so many opportunities and so many people to help you.
It's progression, not perfection.
As long as you're willing to put in the hard work, you will succeed and you will graduate.
The professors here genuinely want you to succeed. Each one of them is an expert in their field, so you will have all of the support that you could ever need through the entire journey.
It's a very special place, and it's well worth coming here.